Are you yelling at me in my own house, Mother? My mom is currently getting mad at me because I'm not putting away my own creamer.
Well, I had already put it away.
Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and this is my mom. Hi. She is in town, so we thought it would be fun to take you guys decor house shopping with us.
My favorite thing to do.
It's my favorite thing to do, and we have a few things, well, I have a few things I still need to do around the house.
It's a really long list.
Yeah, it's really long, and I have been working on my house for now 3 years, but with traveling, it just has been a process, so every time you come into town, you pretty much help me. So,
there's a mommy do list.
Yep, so we're gonna continue that list and take you guys with us, and yeah, let's get going. So our first stop is IKEA. There is some things that I want to look at, and like storage bins and some basic things. And I like shopping at IKEA for apartments because you can change it quickly, as well as this isn't going to be our final home. So for any type of furniture, it's perfect for those, you know, the little things that you want to change. I do love IKEA. They do give you some great ideas. So this little cabinet, I am thinking for my makeup storage, because right now I have clear drawers. But I am thinking of putting products in here and then using this for extra storage and then putting my clear drawers on top. We'll see. So no surprise here, everyone has these sets of drawers, but this one will come in real handy for me because I have like jewelry, sunglasses, and tons of other things, so very happy I found that. So my vibe of kitchen, I would just do white cabinets with a white countertop. Oh. So we found these really good wood boards, which are perfect for displaying. I personally don't have the kitchen to display, but my mom does. So she might get like a big wood board and display it on a shelf. Okay. So IKEA didn't have as much decor stuff as I wanted, as much as storage things. We're gonna pick up the drawers now and then head to HomeGoods, which will be a lot more fun. Coming home with some goodies. We have made it to one of my favorite home decor stores, HomeGoods. Can never go wrong getting anything on sale. Pretty stoked right now because they just opened up this HomeGoods, which means it is like fully stocked and there are so many options. I'm currently looking for some pillows, so my current situation is trying to find something for behind our bed. It's a work in progress.
Thank you for shopping at your HomeGoods in Studio City, and have a happy HomeGoods Day.
A happy HomeGoods Day.
Happy HomeGoods Day. Do you see anything that would be good for shelf stuffers, fillers? Are you over HomeGoods? Oh yeah, she found a whale tail. We're not getting it.
Never know what you're gonna find.
No, we're not getting a whale tail. Okay, so I have a little bit of a predicament, a good one, but I found some stuff that I like, but I can't decide what I want to go over our bed, over the nightstands, so I'm bringing it all home.
Yes, she is.
We just got home from running errands and dinner, which was really, really good. And as you can see, we have done some damage today. There's some proof. And I'm going to do a haul tomorrow when we finish shopping and show you guys what we got. What I got.
Wait, we're not finished?
No, we have to go tomorrow. Hi, Fix! You're the perfect home decor! Yeah! This is day 2 of decor shopping. When I get home from today, I will go through everything and share with you guys what I got and do a little haul because I found some really good things and for a really good price. Okay, let's go shopping. You're not coming. Where I've been wanting to go for a really long time is the Z Gallerie outlet. They have one here in California, so I'm gonna go see if they have anything that will fit my decor. So we are walking through the Z Gallerie outlet right now, and it's very interesting because literally we're at their warehouse and these must be pieces that were like damaged or either returned or just like overstock, and everything's like half price. So if you live in California and you need like a couch or a dresser, I highly recommend this because it's Z Gallerie for less. Anyways, I'm not really finding anything I need because I don't need a coffee table or a dresser. but it is very interesting. So we're looking at artwork right now to see if any of this will help fill our walls. My mom also wants to take home every like cabinet and dresser ever.
I'm considering a U-Haul.
You just haul it back to Utah?
Yes.
Where would we fit that in our apartment?
Right in the middle under your chandelier.
Oh god.
Instead of a coffee.
Look at this circle couch. That's pretty. If I had a big great room, I would have a circle couch. Well, a half circle. I like that dining table. Okay, so we didn't have much luck at Z Gallerie outlet. I was really hoping there would be more like accessories or like decor pieces, and it was definitely more like nightstands, dressers, and beds and couches, none of which I needed. So it's off to another HomeGoods. So this is the last stop on our home decor adventure. We've been to so many places. This is our third HomeGoods in one day. But I think I found what I'm looking for, which I'm very, very excited about.
We are done.
No more. I don't think I'm ever allowed to go to HomeGoods again. I did some serious damage, to say the least. Well, the problem was there was a few things that I didn't know what I wanted to do, so I had to get multiple to see what would work, so that's fun. All right, so we're gonna go home and I'm gonna show you guys everything I got.
Oh no, first one.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I have to feed her.
Yes.
To feed her now. Actually, I'm the problem one. I'm the one that needs food. This is the result of all my home decor shopping. Can you believe how much I brought home? Okay, so we are now home. We are fully fed, which feels really, really nice. I needed to eat. So that is now done. I am staring at a living room. There's dogs running amok. What are you doing? I am staring at a living room full of home decor. So I'm gonna share it with you guys real quick because I'm really excited about what I found. So we're gonna start off with Target. The first thing I got were some magnets because I needed them for my fridge. The second thing I got is this planter. I have an idea with some plants that I want to do, and so I got a planter. The next thing that I got from Target is this metal wall decor. They're like spiky metal things. Oh, it says urchins. That makes a lot more sense. Okay, so I got these. I have an idea that I want to do with hats. So this I'm going to mix in. I will show you guys that later. And I think that's it from Target. But going along with the sea urchins, I got something else from HomeGoods. My mom's gonna bring them to me. I found those little ones at Target, and then I found these bigger sea urchins at HomeGoods, and they were actually on clearance. So I'm gonna mix them in and do something fun with those. So that is my first thing from HomeGoods. HomeGoods is freaking amazing. The next thing I got, coming back onto screen here, sounds like a drum. The next thing I got is this other planter. I'll have two different heights so I can do two different types of plants. So, and I thought mixing the white with the charcoal, the gold with the black would be a fun mixture. And then we have some very soft, fluffy blankets. The dogs are gonna be, I know Coco's eyeing it up already. So I got a very, very fluffy white blanket, which was so soft, and it was only $17. And I'm so excited because on the couch, I want a little bit more white. And then I got this one really, really soft as well, and it looks really nice and elegant. Another thing from HomeGoods is this fuzzy stool. Our couch kind of has limited spacing, and so I thought this would be a perfect way to add onto the end. It's like a movable little ottoman so people can either sit, put their feet on, whatever. And it only was $25. I almost got one from World Market that was, what?
$99, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was $100, and I was like, no, that's just too much. I walk into HomeGoods literally right after, and I was like, this one will work. I got, this is really hard to show. Oh yeah, I'll just show you how it actually works. Maybe. I can do this. Okay, I got it. Couch table. It's perfect for going on the end of our couch because it's kind of an L shape, and it's also portable, so anyone can use it to eat on, for laptops, for whatever. This was only $30, so this is a great find, and it's silver. What is this called? Do you know?
They're just called succulents.
No, but there's like, I know there's
atrium? Like a little...
Yes, Good job, Mom. Thank God my mom's here because this is a cute little atrium that I found with faux succulents in it. I can't keep a succulent alive, and I'm actually not sure why, because it's supposed to be what, like the easiest thing to keep alive, and I can't. So I bought a faux one to put on a shelf. So another thing, and it was only $30. Probably cheaper to get the faux one then. It might not be atrium, we don't really know, but glass container. So our master bedroom is finally going to be complete, and I am so excited. I got so lucky at HomeGoods that they had everything that I kind of had in mind, which is kind of mind-blowing. Well, I shouldn't say it was really lucky. I also went to like, what, 4 or 5 HomeGoods. I found some great decor pillows for our master bedroom. So I was really trying to decide what kind of look I wanted to go for in the master bedroom, and my mom and I literally completed it perfectly, and I'm so excited to put it together. Anyways, I found some decor pillows, and this, I don't know if you can see, it's almost like a linen, very nice, soft, elegant look. So I have 2 of these throw pillows, this as well, and I felt like this kind of adds like a silver sparkly look, but it's still kind of masculine because underneath it's almost like, what do you call that? Burlap type of look. And so it's a nice mixture of like a masculine and feminine.
Which is dictionary.
I know, my mom's great. You need to be in all my videos, or at least in the background of all my videos. I have 2 more. Hey Mama, can you grab my other pillows, please? So I'm gonna quickly jump over to IKEA.
Coming in.
Coming in hot. I know, I'm very proud of our little collection that we did. I got the fillers for $10, which is crazy. They're like down, they feel really nice. I'm actually impressed with that. And then I just picked up some shams from there, and it, again, is kind of like a linen type of look, but it's almost like a light tan, gray, pewter color, but very, very soft and elegant. I think linen in a master can be really nice and elegant, so I'm excited about this mixed with this, mixed with my sparkles. Very excited for the look. I feel like you had something to say. Yes, Mom?
I believe they used to call that color flax.
I was, my helper off screen just informed me that that color is called flax. Anytime I can find a pillow under $25, I am very, very, very happy. And all of these were. And I got 3 of these, 2, 1. Pillows done. Master bedroom is coming together. I'm obsessed with marble, and I thought this was really cute. So I got an A for Angelique and an S for Sawyer. Just cute little decor for the shelves. Something I really wanted to achieve in this whole process is putting together a master bedroom. Already got the pillows done. The main thing was artwork or pictures of some sort, and that was very, very hard for me to try to figure out what I wanted. I think I figured it out, but the challenge is I found a lot of things. So I bought them all so I could figure out which one I liked. So I'm gonna show them now. For some reason, something big that they had there, or a lot of, was these natural stones in shadow boxes. I think they're like geodes, not fully sure. Now I just have to figure out what actually works over the bed and over our nightstands. So I have these as an option. These are options number 1. I have a taller version with 3 natural stones in there. So one of the 2 will go over our nightstands. I just got to decide what looks better. But I was really, really impressed with the price. I liked that it wasn't artwork. It was more of like a natural element, which I thought was really nice to mix into the master bedroom. And then the final thing for the master bedroom in terms of art, or is this art or
Paper mache?
Paper mache.
I don't know.
This is, I guess it's a form of art, but the last piece of art that I am going to put in our bedroom, this will go over our bed, and I really liked it because it looked really natural, really soft, really peaceful. I know that kind of seems weird, but I really wanted our bedroom to be like a peaceful space. So I thought like the earth elements of the natural rocks, the soft look of this paper mache. I'm not really sure. I feel like Sawyer's gonna give me so much. I don't know what he's gonna think of this, but I'm really excited about it. So I'm actually doing this while he's gone. So I hope he likes it. This random piece of art is in a plastic box, which I really like because it'll help with dust. From off camera, it's a shut-up box. I like a plastic box. Anyways, this is only $120, which kind of seems pricey, but art in general is really, really pricey. So when you can find it at HomeGoods, it's a good thing. So just to get a quick little visual, you have like the paper mache, and then on this pillow, you have the really soft linen, and I feel like it ties really, really well together because of the
3D element.
Yeah, it's like the textures, and it's just really soft and peaceful. I know I keep saying that, but I really wanted that in our bedroom. I just wanted it to be really cozy, soft, and peaceful. So I felt like I really achieved that, which is insane because it's It's taken me 3 years, people. Hours at HomeGoods. I thought my mom was gonna kill me. The last 2 pieces from HomeGoods is for my office, and I wanted to create a photo wall above my desk. So I found this piece of artwork for $20, and it just says "Hello Gorgeous" with eyelashes. And I found this awesome photo of Audrey Hepburn putting on some lipstick. It's actually one of my favorite photos of her. Just gonna order a few prints off of Etsy and just create a collage over my desk. So those were the pieces from HomeGoods. That was a lot. I'm really happy with everything I found. I feel like for 2 days of like searching, we actually found exactly what I wanted. So let's finish off with IKEA. Now with IKEA, we did not find a ton of stuff, at least decor wise. I got the Alex drawers that are really gonna help me in my office for like sunglasses, organization, for jewelry. So that'll come in big handy there. It's really not much decor, but I thought I would share it with you anyway. These are the Euro innards. I got a drawer organizer for my office. These are little espresso mugs that I got because we now have a espresso machine, which I am so excited about. If you don't have an espresso, I highly recommend it. Got a new trash can. That's super exciting. You guys want to know about that. These are the Euro shams, and this is the color Ursula. And I really, really like this color because it's like a gray neutral flax, like my mom said, and I was really, really happy with it. It's exactly the type of gray neutral color I wanted. There was a thought that I had, oh no. The last thing that I got from IKEA is this pretty little gray vase. Again, I'm doing very neutral colors in my master bedroom. I want to say they're called pampas grass or pampas grass, and it is a white, like light tan duster type of feather grass looking theme. I will insert a photo because it is so beautiful and I wanted that coming out of here, and I want that in our bedroom. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly interrupt the haul that just happened. Before I end this video, I wanted to show you a few last things that I had found because it's been a few days since I filmed that, and I went to a few other HomeGoods and maybe IKEA and Target again. Okay, so I went back to IKEA and I found some plants. I found this beautiful palm, which was amazing. I think it was only $15. I found this live plant. Yes, it is real. This one is real as well. Oliver! My mom got this for Bitsy and he loved it so much. I got you a toy! Get your toy! Is that your kid? Okay. Ollie, get it. And then I found these black and white pillows. They're kind of like a furry pillow. Actually, they are furry. I got this from Westell, and those were on sale for like $19. So eventually, I am going to add in some white pillows to put here, but for now, I got those. And then the last thing, I went into HomeGoods to return all the photos that we decided not to use. And of course I found something else. Like, why does that happen? And the last thing are these nightstands. Now, I'm really excited because it kind of brightens up the room. We will see if we keep them, but as of right now, I'm liking them. So, that is everything that I got from Target, HomeGoods, and IKEA. Such a process, because I feel like we're never home for me to actually do everything that I want to do, but whenever I am home, I try to get it all done. So yeah, it's finally coming together and I'm very, very happy about it. I'm very excited for our master bedroom to be complete and very, very peaceful. That's it. I just thought it'd be fun to take you guys shopping with me. And I've never done really home decor on my channel, and I thought it'd be fun, especially because I like to decorate and it's a fun process. And I think it's really interesting seeing what people get when they go home decor shopping. I like the ideas that people give. So I hope this helped you. I will try to link everything that I got down below. Obviously, some of it will be hard because it's from HomeGoods and you can't really find it. But if I can find it, I will link it for you guys. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed going shopping with me. In my next video, or not the next one, but in a future video, I will share with you guys the final product, kind of like before and afters of the process of like us putting all this together. So that way you can see how it turned out. Yeah, but that's it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, now put all this up. Oh,
really?
Oh, she just gave me him. Okay, I'll help you. But no, really, every time my mom comes into town, she literally helps me decorate my apartment, and I'm so thankful about it. What would I do without my mom? I'm not really sure. Okay, bye.